These are the world's first Arabic pudding keycaps. Made by Cameltech, and these are called Sarap Pudding Keycaps. It's a double-shot PBT 148 key set that's using the OEM profile. What's special about these keycaps is that they allow way more light to pass through than a regular pass-through keycap. Let's install these and see how they look. Right off the bat, you can tell that the RGB is passing through way more than the regular keycaps. I really like that the Arabic as well as the English are both detailed. It's definitely a game changer for any RGB keyboard. You can get them in white or black color for 130 dirhams on Cameltech's website.